welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Zacconi espresso machine, and we did a lot of work to this machine, and we just had to do a little bit more work this time around. And here we did the sight, fixed the sight glass by turning it the other way, the metal part here. Oops, it's really hot. And what else did we do? We fixed a leak in the bottom of the machine, and we tested it. This is the 4th day in a row, I believe, that we've tested it, just to let it cool and heat up again to make sure it's really good. And then the other thing we need to do is just test the top of the group head, just to make sure there's no leaks. So right around here, I believe the customer reported. So let's go ahead and pull. Looks good. I think I could have had the grind a little bit tighter, a little finer to get better crema. But otherwise, it's in good working order. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.